man. I mean, your bitch just chose me. Now we can settle this like you got some plans, so we can get into some gangster shit.
You already know what it is. We get it time. Time is when that place.
Disrespect mine, and I niggas survive right. Been bringing nine to a gunfight. A couple shots in that thing that turned out the light. And I ain't no killer, but don't push me out there in your life. Yeah, man, you couldn't even force my hand. When you chop out like you couldn't do things in the fan. She spread shit to Harvey, man. I'm in the kitchen like Martha Stewart, working with the Bobby fans. Running for me like the one in my fans. Pull from the nine, put you in the ER. Play the same brand. I was gonna say to watch your movies, makes me Jackie Chan. I need land, whole family to Disneyland. I told son of shit with Pakistan. In the chest, I'm on the right side of it, like a caravan. I see you moving muscle while I got the gun in my hand. If you want my skeleton for trying to be me, man, go get held accountable for your mans. You need to call your cat, but you see stars like they on the man. If I pull from the waist of my pants, the thing like the ghost from the park, like you playing Miss Mac.